Click on the gear icon to go to your Stripe settings. Select Business option under the Account settings. Tap on the More sub-page, just like here, and choose the Branding option below it. You may start to add your own icon and logo by clicking on the plus icon. The icon on Stripe is usually contain your symbol or like a favicon only, so just a simple visual that is representing a brand. For example, my brand name is My Swan Flower, and this is the symbol of it, the modified word M. Meanwhile, the logo in Stripe is usually contain your symbol with your brand name in it. Like this one, I show the full name of my brand. But feel free to only upload just your logo or just your icon. You may also check the logo and icon preview in many ways. It will shown to your client or customer. And after you are good with everything, you can scroll down for a bit and hit the Save Changes button to save your progress. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.